Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we make sure you get the lowdown on everything from the latest gadgets to everyday kitchen essentials. Today, we're taking a close look at the Holstein Housewares 250W 2-speed hand blender. This little powerhouse promises versatility, compact design, and ease of use. But does it deliver? Let's find out. The Holstein Housewares hand blender is a space-saving, portable solution for all your blending needs. Powered by a 250 watts motor, it's designed to handle a variety of tasks, from making smoothies and shakes to blending soups and batters. With 2-speed settings, this hand blender offers more control over your blending consistency, which is a nice touch if you're particular about texture. It comes with a 17 ounces BPA-free measuring cup, so you can blend and measure all in one go. The stainless steel blades are durable and efficient, promising smooth results without the hassle. And the ergonomic handle design ensures a secure, comfortable grip while you work. When it comes to real-world use, this hand blender is incredibly simple to set up. You won't need to fiddle with complicated instructions. Just plug it in, attach the blending rod, and you're ready to go. I tried it on a few different tasks to see how it performed. First, I blended a protein shake, and the results were smooth and consistent. No lumps, no fuss. Then, I used it to blend a soup, and again, it handled the job with ease, making the soup creamy in no time. The 2-speed settings come in handy here, as the higher speed really helps break down thicker ingredients, while the lower speed works well for gentler tasks like mixing batters. The compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens or when you're short on storage space. It's not too heavy, so I didn't feel fatigued using it for an extended period, and the anti-slip feet kept it stable on the counter. Now, let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, the Holstein Housewares hand blender is lightweight and easy to use. The 250-watt motor is powerful enough for most everyday blending tasks, and the 2-speed control adds a nice level of versatility. The ergonomic handle is a real standout. It's comfortable, which is a huge bonus when you're holding it for a while. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning it up afterward is a breeze. On the downside, if you're looking for a blender that can handle tougher, more heavy-duty tasks like crushing ice or blending thicker mixtures like nut butters, this might not be the right fit. The motor is strong for its size, but it might struggle with tasks that require more power or intensity. Another minor con is the 17 ounce measuring cup. While it's convenient, it's not the largest, so you might find it a bit limiting if you plan on blending larger portions. But for personal-sized portions, it's more than enough. In terms of value for money, this hand blender falls squarely in the affordable category. Given its performance, compact design, and ease of use, it offers solid value. There are other options in this price range, like the Mueller Austria Ultra Stick or the Cuisinart Smart Stick, which also offer versatility and power. However, the Holstein Housewares model stands out with its ergonomic handle and portability. If you're on a budget and need a reliable hand blender for everyday tasks, this one does a great job without breaking the bank. Comparing it with some direct competitors, you might find that other hand blenders offer slightly more power or come with additional attachments, like whisks or chopping tools. For instance, the Cuisinart Smart Stick comes with a whisk attachment, which could be a nice bonus if you frequently make whipped cream or meringues. However, the Holstein model is compact and straightforward, which makes it perfect for those who don't want the extra bulk or complexity. The build quality of the Holstein Housewares hand blender is what you'd expect from a well-made, budget-friendly product. The materials feel sturdy, and the stainless steel blades should last through years of everyday use. The ergonomic handle is a thoughtful touch, ensuring comfort during longer blending sessions. While there's no long-term data available yet on this particular model, Holstein Housewares has a solid reputation for creating reliable kitchen gadgets. Given its straightforward design and well-established brand, I'd expect it to hold up well over time. If you need customer support, Holstein Housewares offers a 1-year limited warranty, which is a nice safety net. I haven't personally had to contact their customer service, but their user manual is clear, and their warranty should cover any unexpected issues during the first year. This level of customer support is always a plus when purchasing a kitchen appliance. As for updates, there are no software updates or firmware to consider for this product, as it's a simple plug-and-play device, so no need to worry about ongoing updates or changes in performance. To wrap things up, the Holstein Housewares 250W 2-speed hand blender is a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact, versatile hand blender at an affordable price. It's easy to use, performs well for everyday tasks, and cleans up quickly. If you're looking for a basic blender that can handle smoothies, shakes, soups, and batters, this will meet your needs without overwhelming you with extra features. On the flip side, if you need something with more power or additional attachments for a variety of tasks, you might want to look at other options. Overall, this hand blender is a great addition to your kitchen for anyone who wants simplicity, efficiency, and portability. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Reviews Inside TV, and ring the bell to stay up to date with all our latest reviews. Thanks for tuning in. If you've tried this hand blender, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, keep blending.